I'll never forget the day my bank account hit $47.18. Rent was due, my fridge was basically empty, and I remember thinking, I've watched hundreds of these make money online videos. Why is nothing actually working? But looking back now, that was the turning point. I didn't know it then, but that one low point led me straight into the system that I'd been searching for. A system that now makes me over $1,000 a day online, just using ChatGPT, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi signal. No sales calls, no paid ads, no funnels. And since then, I've helped thousands of people do the same, have generated millions online, and have even worked with clients like Google and Amazon and Meta. So if you've been stuck in that same cycle, watching, hoping, testing things that never click, well, this video is going to change that. I'm going to walk you through the exact model, step by step, show you how it works, and how to start using it by the end of today. You don't need to be a tech expert, you don't need a big budget, you just need to stick with me for a few minutes. So let's dive in. Let me show you the exact business model I'm using. It's called a hybrid agency. Now, don't let the name throw you off. It's actually pretty simple and is essentially the best of two worlds combined. Imagine for a second that you walk into a car dealership. One side of the lot has super fancy premium cars. I'm talking high-end, done-for-you service, zero hassle. The other side has budget-friendly, reliable vehicles, perfect for people who want to save money. Well, a hybrid agency works the same way. You've got high-ticket marketing services on one side. These are for businesses that want someone to take care of everything. These are your $2,000 to $2,500 per month clients. And on the other side, you've got a DIY software package for businesses with smaller budgets, priced between $497 and $997 a month. And here's why that's so powerful. If a business says, we just want this done for us, great, you've got that. If they say, we want to do it ourselves, but we need the tools, no problem, you've got that too. You're not forcing clients into one box. You're giving them options. So whether it's a busy gym owner who wants to hand off all of the marketing, or a massage therapist who just needs a system that runs itself, you can help both and get paid monthly either way. And the software? It's already built. You just add your branding, connect your domain, plug in a payment link, and you're in business. Let me show you how simple that setup really is. Let's say that a local massage therapist named Claire reaches out and asks for some help with her marketing. She gets some steady business from referrals, but it's hit or miss. Some days her schedule is packed. Other days the phone doesn't ring at all. She knows she needs better marketing to grow, but she doesn't have the time to figure it all out, and she's not ready to spend thousands a month either. So here's where your hybrid agency comes in. You take a piece of software that's already built, already proven, you don't code anything. You just add your logo, connect your domain, and link it to a payment processor like Stripe so that you can start collecting monthly payments. And in less than 30 minutes, Claire now has a professional website, a booking system, automated follow-ups, and even an AI-powered chat widget to handle questions and collect leads. And you've got a new paying client on a monthly subscription without doing any custom tech or ongoing work. This is why I love the hybrid agency model. It's fast to set up, it gives clients real results, and it pays you every single month. So don't be surprised when your clients message you a few days later with, "This is insane, I've had more bookings last week than I've had in the last 2 months." Because now, for Claire, instead of relying on random word of mouth, Claire's got a full system bringing in leads and following up and booking appointments automatically. And the crazy part? You didn't design a website from scratch. You didn't write a single line of code. You didn't spend hours on client calls or running ads. You clicked a few buttons, plugged in the system, and let it do what it does best. This is what makes the hybrid agency model different and better. Like, way better. You're not stuck trading hours for dollars. You're building real monthly income with tools that work while you sleep. But I appreciate that sounds way too good to be true, so let's go a step deeper, and I'm going to show you exactly how this software can actually replace an employee for most small businesses. Okay, remember Claire, our massage therapist? Of course you do. We were just talking about her. Well, here's where things get really cool. Imagine someone visits her new website on a Sunday night. They've got a sore back and they want to book an appointment, but it's after hours. Instead of bouncing or waiting for a callback, a little chat box pops open in the corner of the screen. Hey there, looking to book a massage or have a question? I'm here to help. This isn't just a live chat. It's an AI-powered assistant. It can answer questions like, what services do you offer? How much does it cost? When are you open? And how do I book? And here's the best part. You don't have to build some complicated chatbot from scratch because ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. Every smart reply, every automated conversation, every lead captured, it's all powered by ChatGPT under the hood. You're not just using AI to chat, you're using it to run an invisible employee that works 24/7 and books appointments and handles questions and turns curious visitors into paying clients. And all you need to do to train it is just copy the business's website link into the system and the AI scans every page. It learns their hours, their services, their pricing, all automatically. But More on that later. It's like giving every small business owner their own 24/7 customer service rep who never calls in sick and never sleeps and never asks for a raise and never eats your last yogurt from the fridge. That little chat widget alone can double or triple the number of leads a business gets from their site because now visitors get instant answers instead of leaving confused. You set it up once, in minutes, and it keeps delivering value month after month after month. And if the visitor is ready to book right then, well, the AI can even offer to schedule the appointment for them on the spot. So let me show you how easy it is to set that up too. Let's say that same visitor types, "Do you have any openings this week?" The AI bot checks Claire's calendar and replies in seconds. "We have a 4 p.m. opening on Thursday. Want to book it?" The visitor says yes, and just like that, the appointment is scheduled. No back and forth, no missed calls, no effort from Claire. It feels like magic, but it's just smart automation. You're not just giving small business owners software, you're giving them their time back. Because now, instead of chasing leads or answering the same 5 questions all day, Claire gets to focus on her actual work while the system runs in the background. And remember, you set all of this up once. The AI handles the rest. This is one of the reasons that clients are happy to pay $497 to $997 a month for the software because it solves real problems without the cost of hiring another person. What if you could build an entire website for a business in just a few clicks? Well, let me show you how fast that part is too. Because here's the deal. Most small business owners either don't have a website or they've got something that looks like it was built in 2008 and hasn't been touched since. But with this software, you don't have to be a designer or developer. You just click Create New Site, pick from a library of professionally designed templates, and boom, the website's live. Let's go back to Claire. You can choose a sleek, modern template, maybe even type in massage to narrow it down. Click one button to import it into her account, and just like that, you've got a beautiful website ready to go. All you need to do is update a few things like her logo, phone number, address, and hours of operation. Everything else, it's already done. And here's where you make it powerful. You don't just say, "Here's your new website." You say, "This is your lead generation engine." Because remember that chat widget we added earlier? Well, it turns that site into a 24/7 sales assistant. Now, instead of just sitting there looking pretty, the website captures leads and answers questions and books appointments. It's important to remember that this isn't about web design. This is about helping small businesses grow and making you look like a marketing genius in the process. And just like that, the chat widget and calendar, once it's set up, well, runs on autopilot month after month. Let's look at one final automation though that really pushes things over the edge. AI-powered conversations across SMS, Instagram, Facebook, and more. So now Claire's got a beautiful website. It books appointments, it answers questions through the chat widget. But what happens when someone sends her a Facebook message, or an Instagram DM, or even texts her directly? Well, that same AI assistant can handle all of it. Let's say someone sends a DM on Instagram. "Hey, do you offer prenatal massage?" Oh, quick heads up for all the brand new dads out there. Prenatal massage means it's for pregnant women, not by them, so let's not make that mistake in the DMs. The AI checks the website info and responds immediately. "Yes, we do. We offer 60 and 90-minute prenatal massage sessions. Would you like to book one?" It feels like a real conversation, but it's running on autopilot. And here's how it works. You just flip a few switches to connect Claire's Facebook, Instagram, and phone number to the software. Then you give the AI a bit of context, like her business website and a few common FAQs. Now, anytime someone messages on any platform, the AI responds instantly. No missed leads, no delayed responses, no stress. It's like giving every business a virtual employee that works across all channels and costs a fraction of what a real one would. And if someone needs help beyond what the AI can handle, well, they can instantly notify Claire or her team so they can jump in. Set it up once and you've just saved your clients hours every single week while making them money in their sleep. Now let me show you how to train the bot so it answers questions accurately and sounds like it actually knows the business inside and out. So here's the part that surprises most people. You don't have to write a script. You don't have to be a programmer. To train the AI, all you do is paste in the business's website link. Yep, that's it. The software then scans every page automatically. It learns the services, the hours, the location, the pricing, everything that it needs to sound like it knows that business from top to bottom, inside and out, front to back, all those things. Okay, let's get back to Claire. You paste in her site, the AI sees massage types, appointment times, FAQs, her cancellation policy, and anything else that she put on her site, or that you put on for her. Now, when someone asks, "Do you take walk-ins? What's your late policy? Or do you offer gift cards?" The AI already knows the answers because it pulled them straight from Claire's site. But you can also go one step further. If you happen to know that there are 5 or 6 questions that clients always seem to ask, you can add those manually and write the perfect answers right inside the dashboard. Things like, where are you located? Or do you have parking? Or do you do couples massages? Or are prenatal massages for pregnant women or by pregnant women? This takes less than 10 minutes, and once it's there, the AI handles all those conversations for you. No guesswork, no overwhelm, and you look like a genius who just gave them a fully trained digital employee. Okay, Now let's add the cherry on top. Because when that conversation ends, the AI can automatically send someone to book an appointment on the calendar. And setting that part up is, well, pretty easy too. You just connect the business's calendar to the system, and now the AI can handle the entire process from conversation to confirmation. Let's say someone texts Claire's business, "Do you have any openings next week?" The AI checks her real-time availability and replies, "Yes, we've got a spot on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Want me to lock it in for you?" They reply, "Yes," and boom, appointment booked. Again, no calls, no back and forth, none of that nonsense. You just connect Claire's Google or Outlook calendar or use the built-in one in the software. You choose the available hours and then you flip the switch that lets the AI book appointments. From that moment forward, every conversation, whether it starts by text or Instagram DM or website chat, can end in a booked appointment. And the best part is, Claire doesn't need to be involved at all. She just opens her calendar and sees new clients already locked in. Now think about this from the client's perspective. Some business owners want that full service, done-for-you treatment, and they're happy to pay $2,000 plus per month to have someone like you run everything for them. Other business owners just don't need that level of hands-on support, but they'll gladly pay $497 a month for a system that brings in leads and follows up and books paying clients automatically. That flexibility is what makes the hybrid agency model so powerful. You're not guessing what people want. You're giving them exactly what they're already looking for. And you can do it again and again for other local businesses in just minutes. So now you've seen what the system can do. It's fast to set up, simple to run, and built to generate real monthly income, whether you're offering full agency services or just the software on its own. You don't need to build anything from scratch. You don't need to write code, run ads, or chase leads, and you definitely don't need any experience, as it's 100% beginner friendly. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the right tools. And I want to give you everything that you need to get started 100% free. I'm talking my full step-by-step course, all of my templates and scripts, the exact pricing breakdowns I use, a professionally designed website that you can clone, pre-built software you can white label and resell, and a live bootcamp to help you launch it all from A to Z. There's no upsells, no hidden fees, and no gimmicks. Just click the link in the descriptions and you'll get instant access to everything. Oh, one more thing. Normally this software comes with a 14-day free trial, but I reached out to the founders and got that extended to 30 days just for you. That gives you a full month to set everything up, land your first few clients, and start generating income before you ever pay a dime. This is one of the easiest, fastest ways to build real recurring revenue online, and it's working right now, even for people who've never started a business before. So check out the link below, get started today, and I'll see you on the inside.